Artificial intelligence and human imitation, neural networks, certain intelligence-related tasks and pattern recognition, which humans perform with ease, prove difficult to automate. Humans can effortlessly identify objects and manage extensive visual information. To emulate these activities, computing systems need to grasp and replicate human operations. This necessity drives the exploration and modeling of neural networks. A human neural network constitutes a segment of the nervous system, made up of interconnected neurons, also known as nerve cells. The term neural refers to neurons, while network implies a structure similar to a graph. Artificial neural networks, ANNs, are designed to emulate biological neural networks and are frequently referred to as neural nets, parallel distributed processing systems, or connectionist systems. These systems utilize a directed graph structure, where nodes conduct basic computations and connections relay signals between these nodes. The connection strength, termed as weights, governs the amplification or reduction of signals. ANNs are designed as alternatives to human expertise and are structured after brain function, using language derived from neuroscience. What defines deep learning, and in which domains is it primarily applied? Deep learning represents a distinct segment within artificial intelligence, concentrating on developing extensive neural network models for making accurate, data-centric decisions. This approach excels particularly in contexts with intricate data and considerable datasets. Presently, numerous online enterprises and premium consumer technologies capitalize on deep learning. For example, Facebook employs deep learning to interpret text during online interactions. Google, Baidu, and Microsoft also leverage deep learning in image search and machine translation. Contemporary smartphones are outfitted with deep learning systems, establishing it as the prevailing technology for speech recognition and facial detection in digital cameras. In healthcare, deep learning processes medical images, including X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs, aiding in diagnosing medical conditions. Additionally, deep learning underpins self-driving vehicles, assisting in localization, mapping, motion planning, steering, environmental perception, and monitoring driver conditions. Deep learning also empowers semi-supervised learning, which integrates both supervised and unsupervised learning by employing labeled and unlabeled data to train AI models for classification and regression tasks. Self-supervised learning, which creates implicit labels from unstructured data instead of depending on labeled datasets for supervisory guidance. Reinforcement learning, which learns through trial and error and reward functions, as opposed to discovering information from hidden patterns. Transfer learning, where knowledge acquired from one task or dataset enhances model performance on another related task or different dataset. What does generative intelligence entail? Generative AI relies on sophisticated machine learning models, specifically deep learning algorithms that simulate human brain learning and decision-making processes. These models function by identifying and encoding patterns and relationships within vast datasets, then using this data to interpret users' natural language queries, generating relevant and original responses. Generative AI includes algorithms designed to create new content, text, images, audio, or other data types, resembling a designated input dataset. These algorithms discern underlying patterns within the dataset and produce new data points conforming to the same distribution. Notable models in generative AI comprise generative adversarial networks, GANs, variational autoencoders, VAEs, and autoregressive models such as GPT.